Listen, there's one option that's always in a customer's head that's never in your head. And that option is, maybe I should go somewhere else. I know, right? We don't think of it like that. They're here. They're here. You shouldn't go anywhere else. We're awesome. But that customer is listening to you explain what their options are, and maybe they're not hearing any options. Maybe all they're hearing is, to make this light go out, you need a catalytic converter that's going to cost you $2,200 fully installed. And they're thinking, what if I go somewhere else? Maybe it's cheaper somewhere else. And so when you throw in value adds, remember, this catalytic converter comes with our 36-month, 36,000-mile warranty. We have a master diagnostic technician that's diagnosed this and is going to install that catalytic converter, and we'll stand behind it with our 100% satisfaction guarantee. Wow, these people sound kind of nice. Oh, and they're going to back it up. Do not discount how much that means. Last summer, I had a good friend of mine flew 3,000 miles to help a daughter who was in a really rough situation, help her out, and he calls me up. And she's driving an Audi. I know. I said the same thing. And he says, where do I take this thing to have it worked on? It needs work bad. And I said, well, first of all, find somebody actually who wants to work on it. Right? That's good advice, isn't it? And so a few weeks later, I see him when he comes home, and he says, I said, how did that Audi turn out? He says, I found the best shop. Man, they even offered a nationwide warranty. He says, they're going to get all her work now. And I thought to myself, okay, I knew who it was. I knew what network they were in. I'm not going to say it in this program, but I was familiar with the network. And I thought, you know what they did that I don't see anybody do very often? They sold him warranty. They sold him on their warranty. They're part of a nationwide network, somebody you guys would recognize. But the very fact that the service advisor said to this gentleman, by the way, these repairs come with a 36-month, 36,000-mile nationwide warranty as an independent repair shop, that sold him.